Okay, so this is my Lego Star Wars set, and it is one of my favorites. Okay, here we have General Grievous's Starfighter set, and here's General Grievous holding his lightsabers. Yay! Oh, I'm dying. They can go in this little holder right here, and you can store up under the dash on here. It opens. It's kind of hard to open. See, it opens, and it closes. It does not have flip-firing missiles. Here we have the Corporate Alliance tank droid set, and most people don't know this, but this right here is actually a droid. Here's a droid, and here's a jet trooper, and a droid, and a jet trooper. It has 2 flip-firing missiles. These pop out. And that's how they work. And over here, we have my newest one, Luke Skywalker's land speeder. It has R2-D2, C-3PO, hello, Luke Skywalker, hey, and Ben Kenobi, the Force is with you. We have a Sand Trooper and a Sentry droid. Right here, there's a secret compartment, and it holds their lightsabers. Right there. Yeah, that's sort of cool. Over here, we have a Lego Creator set that I made myself. And, I didn't have any instructions to do this, but this guy did not come with it. He actually came with my B-Wing fighter set, but still, it's pretty cool. But it's got a working little crane and a steering wheel. It's a deal. And what they would do is they would go up to the deals like this, beep, 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 and they would get a hold of it. They would latch on, and then they would pull it wherever they needed to go, because the vehicles float in Lego Star Wars and in the movie. So yeah, that's it. And over here we have the B-Wing fighter with 10 nub in the cockpit. You see him right here? Hello. And a little stool. I think this was put in here by accident, but I'm just saying it's a stool. And it has 2 foot-firing missiles. Watch this, people. Yep. Pow! And they pop out. And it's really awesome. And when it folds out into attack position, it goes. And look, the cockpit turns. So it'll always be like that. I guess hold for attack position. Over here we have my biggest set. AT. It has a here it is. It has a snow trooper. And Luke Skywalker minifigure. Rawr! And in the cockpit, over here, we have an AT-AT driver and General Rears. AT-AT driver, General Rears. And over here, we have the TIE Defender. With this guy is the Imperial Starfighter pilot. And this guy, who is the he's the Imperial Stormtrooper. It has flick-firing missiles, 6 of them to be exact. Yeah, 6 of them. And over here is the V-Wing fighter. And it's really cool. Now originally this yellow stand that it's on didn't come with it. I didn't make it either. I mean, I made it, of course, but it wasn't my original idea. It came with my B-Wing fighter that y'all saw earlier. And this is R2-Q2. Not an original name, but I didn't make it up. Lego people did. This is from the expanded universe, too, also. And this is an Imperial starfighter pilot. Yeah. And it doesn't have flick firing missiles, but there's landing position, and there's landing position, and there's not, and this is flying position. It has a cockpit that you can open and close. It's very detailed in scripture, but yeah. So, and that's it. I hope you enjoyed my Lego stuff. I mean, because I think it's like really cool and all. So, but that's all. That's all. Bye. Bye.